Well, it's late winter, early spring. I'm with Sarah. We're out here at Portland Nursery Division. And Sarah, it is not too early to start thinking about pollinating our garden.
No, it is not too early at all. Before we know it, everybody's going to be out there pollinating all of our flowers. So what we've got here are mason bees, which are a native bee. I think a lot of people know that honeybees are in crisis right now, and not everybody can be a honeybee keeper because it's a lot of work. But pretty much everybody can be a mason beekeeper, which can be as easy as just setting this out on a south-facing wall of your house or fence, and putting these little tubes in here. Some of the native bees that are already around will actually come and nest in here without you having to do anything.
Okay.
But we also have a step up from that, where we've got some mason bee kits that have, some different tubes that you can clean and harvest and take care of if you choose to. But regardless, the bees are there, they're native, and helping them by putting out some shelter, it can go a long way for your garden.
Right. And it's kind of a great fun project that a family can do. I think there's people that are worried about, they hear the word bee and they might be allergic to bees. But mason bees are a little bit different than like your honeybees, aren't they?
They are. They're very docile. Most of them don't sting. It is a great lesson for families because you can see the not the honeybees, the mason bees, doing their thing and pollinating, and the kids don't have to be scared that they're going to get stung. It's a great lesson to see those bees going around your garden, spreading that pollen, and then it's a huge benefit for you that you get a higher yield in your garden, you get more flowers,
right.
And you're helping the population of pollinators, so it's just good for everybody.
Right, and you guys have a great selection and supply here in the store, both here at the Division store and the Stark store, about basically anywhere from the starter kit, from just having some tubes, all the way up to the condos and the hotels. But you can also get the bee starts here too. Yes,
we do sell some bees that you can put out when the weather is right, and we've got some information, some tubes that you can put inside that make it easier to clean out. And I think for me, at first, I was really intimidated by the idea of, do I have to clean these tubes? I don't know if I don't want to do it wrong. I don't want to kill them on accident. And it's just, it can be intimidating, but it shouldn't have to be because it can be really easy.
Right. And you guys have some great information on your website, so you can come out here to the Portland Nursery, either the Division store or the Stark Street store, and come check out the brochures and all of the equipment, talk to their knowledgeable staff, and get online, or you can go to gardentime.tv and we'll click you on over. So Sarah, we appreciate you being out here with today and talking to us about mason bees.
Thanks.